Dear parents, today I would like to bring to your notice a few of the life skills that are being taught to our children at Global Public School. Talking mainly today about financial literacy. Our children are not educated in finances or managing money. Money, as you know, is the most important aspect of one's life. We need to encourage our children about money matters. It's best taught in the pre-primary classes, right from the time the children are 4 and 5 years old. In our school, we have designed a curriculum catering to the needs of the children right from kindergarten, and we take it forward right up to class 12. A self-designed curriculum. Like, for example, you will see in the later part of the video, the small children are taught how to count money, how to identify currency, what is the value of money, what is the objective of money. We will carry on this exercise every year. Every year the child will go to the next curriculum and will learn more things. Wish you all the best. Keep encouraging your children. Thank you.
Children, can you identify these notes? Which note it is? Which note it is?
We have fun ways to get kids interested in financial literacy.
Can you add rupees 20 with rupees 10?
Yes, class. Who issues the currency of India? And what is the full form of RBI?
There are 15 different languages on the Indian currency note. This is amazing.
Good morning, students. Good morning, ma'am. So here we have some global currencies. So can you identify these? Yes, ma'am. How many of you can identify these?
Ma'am, this is a dollar. It is the currency of USA.
Very good. So this is the dollar and this is the currency for USA.
We guide students step by step to impart this life skill.
Okay, students, how many types of banks are there in India?
So Bank in India, Reserve Bank of India, Cooperative Bank, Commercial Bank and Specialized Bank.
And where we teach our students to save money, saving a small amount soon builds up to a larger amount.
This is my piggy bank. I put coin here and note here. Let's open it. These are my savings.
Financial problems are not fixed with money, but with financial education.
Global Public School organized a visit for students to AU Small Finance Bank, where students learned account opening procedure, local
model, and this is the banking staff members.
Hello everyone, my name is Bhumika Suman.
And I'm Jigisha.
Let us introduce you all to the Global Bank, which is created by Global Public School. Bank is a financial institution that accepts deposits from the public and gives loans.
Another financial literacy program, and to have better understanding of banks, this banking model is created. So let us know more about it.
Hello, I am Abhijit Singh, manager of Global Bank. My task is to look at the performance and success of our bank, and our motto is happy customers.
Hello everyone, I am Bhavishya Rathod. I am Ali. And we are from the deposit counter of the Global Bank. Here we accept cash deposit, and let us tell you about different type of cash deposit.
We are having fixed deposit, current deposit account, saving deposit account and recurrent deposit account at Global Bank.
And for depositing cash, the customer has to fill this deposit slip.
Hello, I am Prakhar from Global Bank.
I am Alex from Global Bank.
This is the withdraw section. You can withdraw money in cash from this section.
We have to fill a withdraw form to withdraw money from bank.
Hello, I am Siddharth. Global Bank provides different type of loan at a specified rate of interest.
Hello, I am Rajesh, and these are the rate of interest on different type of loans.
Hello, I am Komal Gulwani. This is a specimen of check.
Hello, I am Diksha. Check is an important instrument. We have to fill details to use.
My name is Rudu. And I am Ayush. This is cash counting machine. It identifies fake currency as well.